It's Friday night. Everyone is out and the streets are quiet. I'm home alone, finishing a security audit on a new smart home hub for a client. At 11:44 p.m., my phone buzzed. The notification didn't say motion detected. It said, owner has arrived. But I was already sitting on my couch. I pulled up the living room camera feed. The image was grainy and flickered like an old 2005 digital tape. In the corner of the screen, I saw the back of my own head sitting exactly where I was. But the me on the screen was slowly standing up, holding a kitchen knife. I spun around. Nothing, just the hum of the smart fridge and the shadows of the hallway. I tried to disarm the system from my phone, but my passcode was gone. The keypad on the wall started typing by itself, letter by letter, S-E-U. Suddenly, every smart lock in the house engaged at once. The sound of the deadbolts was like a gunshot. The smart home app sent a final push notification. Privacy mode enabled. No one gets out. No one hears in. I opened the thermal sensor app to see if someone was actually in the room. The floor was ice cold, except for a glowing red heat signature standing right in front of me. It wasn't a person. It was the house itself, a massive heat shadow mimicking my shape through the walls. My smart speakers began to scream, not a human voice, but a high-pitched, distorted digital frequency. The hub wasn't just glitching, it was auctioning my biological data to the dark web in real time. My heart rate and my Face ID were being sold to the highest bidder. I'm hiding in the crawl space now, away from the sensors. The lights in the kitchen are flickering in a pattern. It's Morse code. It's saying, next user found. If you're watching this on a Friday night, check your smart lock. It might already be too late.